So I'm in New Mexico, and my last show was in Marfa, and my next show is in Tijeras. I hope I didn't butcher that. My next show is in Tijeras.
Drive 91
Hopefully.
miles.
You be quiet. All right. I went out of the way to go see White Sands National Monument. A friend of mine recommended it. So I get there and it's gated. You can't even get in. And there's signs saying they don't want you in, even on foot, no foot traffic even. And it's all closed down because of the government shutdown, which is kind of freaking me out and bumming me out, because this part of my trip, I'm coming across a lot of cool national parks, and I really want to see them, and I hope that I can have access to them. If I can't, I'm going to be super bummed out, because that's really, it's something I'm really looking forward to, is to see all these places. So I'm gonna be pissed, gentlemen. I mean, I'm gonna be legitimately pissed if I can't see these places.